I've got this beautiful 25 plate Range Rover finished in Carpathian Grey. Unfortunately, it's got a scuff to the passenger side front bumper. In this video, I'll be showing you how I repaired this damage. So let's repair this together. I start by looking at the bumper to see where I can do my fade out. I normally hide my fade out behind number plates or wherever there's a small section, but this bumper has no hiding spots, so I decided to do my fade out just before the front fog light grille. The scuff itself wasn't very deep, so I won't be needing any filler for this repair. I sanded the scuff down with 120 grit on a D8 followed by 180. The 180 removed the furriness left by the 120. Once I'm happy that the scuff has been sanded back and no filler is needed, I give the bumper a clean with the greaser. This will ensure no grease or grime will react with the paint. I then mask around the bumper and scuff the rest of the bumper, stopping just before my fade out point. Once the bumper has been keyed, I now use 400 grit on a D8 on where the previous 180 was. This will give a good key for our paint to ensure there's no 180 grit sanding marks left, otherwise this will be visible. I give the bumper one final clean and put in a piece of paper covering our fade out point, as we don't want any overspray from our paint hitting this area. The bumper has now been prepped and ready for paint. I go over the bumper with a tack cloth to ensure it's dust free. As it's quite a cold morning, I use my thermometer to ensure that the bumper temperature is at optimum temperature, using my hairdryer to increase the temperature if needed. I use Pro XL plastic primer and applied paint in thin coats, forcing it dry with a hairdryer. I use my tack cloth before each coat as I don't want any dust. Once I feel that the colour has been covered, I finish off with the final drop coat to ensure the metallics are evenly spread. I spray some degreaser on the bumper to simulate what it will look like with clear coat. Check in with my check light to ensure there's no colour differences or any sanding marks left. I used this big MG3000 anti-static gun all over the bumper, as this is supposed to help with dust being trapped to the bumper when spraying the clear coat. I don't really know if this helps or not. I've been using this for shy of a month now and I don't really know if I've noticed a difference or not. I will do a test with this gun on another video to see how well it works with and without. I then applied my clear coat and baked it for 20 minutes. Once the clear has dried, I have noticed a few dust nibs. I sand the dust nibs down with 1500 on a DA, followed by 3000 and 5000. I will then give this a 3-stage polish to bring the shine back out. repair has now been completed. I'll go over the car one final time to ensure there's no overspray or polish left over. This is the result of the repair.